Okay, I have an Oculus Quest 2 that was purchased used, and I'd like to replace the head strap. So what I'm going to do is orient the new strap in the same manner that the old one's on, just to keep things simple so I don't get confused. And but replacing it is pretty easy. Put your thumb against. Now this is the microphone right there, left and right, right and left side. So please be gentle, don't hurt that. But you use your thumb and pull back on this plastic tab that connects on the head strap to the sides, and then with your index finger press in the middle, it will flex. Just be gentle and see how it came right off. And then on the left side, repeat the same thing. Use your thumb and index fingers. There you go. And then, in order to get that strap off, just remove this. It comes off real easy. Just be gentle. Okay. Okay. And now I can remove that strap. Okay. And notice that it feeds in from the bottom up. That's why I had this placed in this manner, so I wouldn't get confused about that aspect of it. And it's fighting me a little bit here. I'm trying to get it feed it in there. There we go. Okay. Now that I got that in there, I can place this back in. It snaps right into place. Then I can snap the right side in. Doesn't matter which side you do, you get to do both anyway. Okay. And then the remaining side. There you go. And there you have it.